And we're ready.
And we're ready. Oh, by the way, what's the title of this song?
It's a song from Maroon 5. It's Payphone.
Really?
Payphone.
Ano yun?
Payphone.
Payphone? Hindi ko naman
Hindi mo inabot.
Number 1 pala sa top 20. Mali. Number 1 sa top 20 pala. Most requested eh. Okay. Tapos di ko alam. By the way, this song is brought to you by Globe Prepaid AllNet 25. Yun. Oh, naman. Time check pa lang pala dapat. Mamaya pa yung... ano time na ba? We got like 7 minutes before we hit 5.
Sige, and, kahit pareho na, malay mo pumunta yung taga-Globe.
Oo nga eh.
Ilan tayong lahat?
4, 6. Tigigisa tayo.
Siyam na cellphone po.
Siyam na cellphone po.
Kahit iPhone 5 lang, okay na.
Okay. Mayroon na ba? Ah, meron na?
Mauna tayo.
Lalo ba? Ayos yan. Kahit yung 3G, ano yun? Yung Samsung 4?
We love you, Globe.
Yeah. Time check pa lang pala muna yun. No? Medyo excited ako eh. Time brought to you by Globe Prepaid, AllNet 25. Okay, so proper introduction, partner.
Alright, to give us their version of the song Payphone, let's give it up for Accento Band.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? So wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. Even hard to the picture, you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And all the times that you wasted, all of my bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we call it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? So wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sad. Yeah. You turn your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. Can't expect me to be fine, don't expect you to care. I know we've said it before, but all of my bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time where we call it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after it exists, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sad. Man, fuck that shit. I'll be out spending on his money while you're sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came off the nothing. Made it from the bottom when you see me, I'm stunning. And I'm a car, so with the push up a button. Tell me of the chances of a whoop or whatever you call it. Push your number to my phone so you can ever call it. They need my name on the show so you can tell me I'm ballin'. Swish, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top. Who would've keep us all, but that's sad, it's all fault. Phantom full up, valet, open doors. Was a go away, what got what he was looking for. So ask me who the one so you can take a little shit with you. I'm at a payphone trying all the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after didn't exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song I'll be singing. Now I'm at a payphone. Yeah. Now I'm at a payphone. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah! Nakita ko si Jenny, nagulat oh. Kita ko si Jenny, kasi nanginig siya bigla oh. Sabi ko nung, uye.
Bigla sumisigaw na
Magugulatin pala itong si Jenny, baby. Ano? Sometimes. But pag all the time, anong story nun? Okay, so medyo dito tayo sa promotion mode. Number muna ng Accento. Just in case